So, hello, I'm Philippe Desmeth, member of the Belgian Science Policy Office and presently chair of the Assembly of Members. And it's a great pleasure to see that I can help support collaboration beyond the borders, even beyond the EU borders. I'm convinced, knowing that cancer is a multi-causal disease, that we need a multidisciplinary efforts. At the Belgian level, the impact was clearly to structure the network of biobanks. It also helped bring input and funding into IT developments, quality improvement of the biobanks. And the management goes beyond the regional border in Belgium. And so it's a really great contribution at national level that we really are pleased to translate into international cooperation.